How to hide apps on your Android device. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can hide your apps on Android. Let's begin. Let's say if you want to hide certain apps so that no one can access it, I'll show you how you can do it. Depending on the model of the phone you have, in some phones you can just pinch in or zoom into your home screen, just like so, and it'll open a private space where you're able to add your apps to hide them. But since I'm using a Samsung device, I have it a bit different. So what you can do is long press on your home button and find the settings icon at the bottom right. Once on the settings, you can scroll down and find the option to hide apps on home and app screens. So just tap on it and you'll have an option to list of all of your apps to hide from. So let's say if I want to hide my Pinterest, I can scroll down here, find Pinterest, tap on it, and it will be hidden. Tap on done, and as you can see, Pinterest from the left hand side here now is gone. So that's basically it, guys. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.